Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your machines can see each other on the network. This is how file sharing will work. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, enable network discovery and file and printer sharing so Windows advertises your device. Next, pick the folder you want to share, right-click Properties, choose Sharing, then Advanced Sharing. Give the share a clear name and set how many simultaneous users. This establishes access and prevents name conflicts when you map the drive. Once done enabling sharing, you must control who can do what. Open the Folder Properties, Security tab, and set NTFS permissions for users or specific accounts so the right people get read or write access. Then, on the client PC, map the shared folder using Map Network Drive or by entering // computer name /share in File Explorer. Windows will prompt for credentials if required. Make sure password-protected sharing matches your authentication plan, because mismatched settings prevent access even though the share exists. To finish, test by copying a small file to confirm read/write behavior, and if desired, select Reconnect at Sign In when mapping the drive so the link persists across restarts. If something goes wrong, first verify the Windows firewall allows file and printer sharing inbound. A blocked port is the most common culprit. If name resolution fails, use the host IP like // 192, 168, x/share to connect directly. This isolates DNS or NetBIOS issues and helps you quickly restore access without changing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.